can remove these ones from the house. Outside. Deploy again. You can move any of these two.
This is mine. This is yours.
Now. You can move any of them. You know, when you run from here, you come. You enter in your house. That's how we. Just point with this. Very much. When you move it to days. Now you see. Now you get.
Now,
You can move this way. If I'm coming this way to come in my house, this is how I get out.
if I go to your house,
You
I
can
point.
anywhere you see a star, you cannot remove me. But anywhere where there is no star, when I find you there, like here, when my baby can find you, anywhere without no star, I remove you. You go back to your house. You have
Your
to,
point.
yeah. Now you have to beat another 6 to make the baby come out. You can come after me for this one. You can run after this one. Anyone.
Right there.
You can remove this one from the house.
I want to go there.
No, beat 3. Beat another time.
Ba't na-pair sila ng assistant? Kasi Victoria ang dati na.
You cannot just jump.
Lagi.
Now you see.
Oo nga.
Sabi
I am
tatawagan
very laugh
na.
at you. You are crying.
Sabi tatawagan.
Tatawagan. Pagkatas ng rabagan.
No, no, you have to beat.
Bakit nag-hire sila
beat
ng
the
bagan?
6. Now when you beat 1, you
Inano
can
na
take
nila
me.
si Victoria nung nakaraan.
Kahit yung isa sabi Agosto daw tatawagan. Sabi nung isa, yung isa daw Agosto daw tatawagan.
Now I'm in my house. You have beat 6.
Sabi naman niya, bakit ako maghihintay ng Agosto kung mayroong opportunity sa
Ayun
iba?
nga, kung meron ka opportunity before August, why not?
Run as fast as you want so that you pass.
Ang offer lang sa kanya, 1,005, hindi siya pumayag. Yung inanisa niya 2,000 siya. 2,000 naman talaga doon sa ano,
Now you can
Chubby Chicks.
Now you get
Masyado siyang...
now you can move when
Sino
you
2,000?
want.
Yun.
Sino?
Nando sa atin. Ay, yung sa atin sa classroom. 2,000.
Sino yun?
Ala. Yung Sheila ba yun?
Ah,
Yeah. Now run.
yung nag-training?
Hmm.
I'm coming after you.
Hindi na, yung ano?
Yung kalahi nila.
Oh, itim. Dive pa ako? Ganon?
Because 6 I can take
Pero
you.
liwino ka sa kanya?
Now they give you
2,000 ang sahod niya doon sa dati. Tapos ngayon, ang offer sa kanya, mal.
Kala ko
Ang
naman,
offer-
kaya nagtataka ko eh. Nakita ko siya post niyan,
Ang
gano'n.
offer sa kanya, 1,005, kaya ayaw niya. And then, maghihintay siya lang hanggang Agosto. Bakit daw siya maghihintay ng hanggang Agosto? Kung meron naman daw sa iba.
Oo, meron naman siyang opportunity sa ito. Why not? Ba't maghihintay pa nga naman siya ng Agosto? Just parang magaling naman siya. Marunong naman siya.
Oo, may experience sa pag ano ng mga bata.
Oh, wow, grabe.
one reached.